Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update delivery instructions on Amazon. Here's how to update delivery instructions in the Amazon web app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to log into your Amazon account. And how do you do that? Go to Amazon.com using any browser of your choice and click the sign in button in the top right corner of the website. Once you do that, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in your account, hover over the account and list menu in the top right corner, where we presented a couple of options in the drop down menu. These options include account, others, keep shopping for, recommendations, browsing history, recalls and product safety alerts. You have watch list all the way down to sign out. Now I'd like you to click on others from the drop down menu, and that is going to take you right into your others management page. In this order management page, locate the order for which you want to update the delivery instructions. Now, I do not have any order. That's why my order list is pretty much empty. Then, once you locate the order for which you want to update delivery instructions, click on the track package button next to the relevant order. On the tracking page, look for an option that says leave delivery instructions or something similar. Then this option may be under the delivery details. Just go ahead and look for leave delivery instructions. Click on this option to enter any specific instructions for the delivery driver, etc. Leave at the front door or deliver to the side entrance, just anyhow you want that to be done. After entering the specific instruction for the delivery driver, go ahead and click on submit or the save button depending on your interface to confirm the updates. You should then receive a confirmation message that your delivery instructions have been updated. Now you can also check back on the order tracking page to see the changes. I'd like you to note that you can typically update delivery instructions only for orders that haven't yet been shipped. If your order is already in transit, you also may not be able to make changes. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search